All right, guys, I am so very excited. I'm going to be doing my first unboxing video today. And I have been waiting for this for quite some time. This would be probably what I would consider a Grail watch, in that it isn't a Grail watch in the sense of it's a Rolex or whatever, but it is in the sense that I spent almost $400 on it, and I am so excited to have it. And I wanted to just unbox this quickly for you today. It is the Islander watch. You have seen these popping up all over YouTube in the last little bit. Marc from Long Island Watch, thanks so much. I am so stoked about opening this up. Just going to unbox it. That's it. I'll then wear it for a few days and give you a full review. It will definitely be the next review on my channel. And so really, oh my goodness, just so stoked about this watch. So let's turn the camera around and I'll unbox it for you. This is the ISL 19 dive watch from longislandwatch.com. I will leave a link in the description below for where you can get your hands on one of these. It costs $299 US. The first time you purchase something on that store, you can use a code for 5% off, and so I basically got my shipping for free. I never got nailed import and duty fees. So anyways, let's turn the camera around and I'll show you the watch. Okay guys, so this is my first official unboxing, as in right from the post. I got this just this morning. I'm on my way to work. I had to do this real quick. So this is like the very first on my channel actual unboxing, where I unbox it right from the shipping package. And to do that, I'm going to use my Leatherman Surge multi-tool. This is just a beautiful thing. And so yeah, let's crack this open, guys. I am so excited. Oh my goodness. There will be a story about this watch when I actually review it. Yeah, I'm just so excited. So you can see the box that it just a bunch of paper and stuffed in there. Oh, there it is. Island watch. Oh my goodness. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, there's a nice little screwdriver to adjust the bracelet on that, because the bracelet will have screw pins. That's awesome, Marc. Thank you very much. Let's see what else is in this box here. I think this is just the receipt. Yeah. Okay. Oh, drum roll. This is the ISL. I believe it's 19. I'm going to correct myself if I'm wrong when I edit the video, but let's just pop open this. Oh my goodness. Oh, what a thing of beauty. Wow. Wow. So this is obviously Marc's homage of like the Seiko PADI. And man, is it ever beautiful. The Jubilee bracelet that it's on, really nice. Yeah, let's just see if I can get some of this plastic off for you. Oh my goodness, guys, I am just so stoked. The actual PADI diver's watch, the Seiko model, is on Marc's channel. Or on his store, and you can get it for like $420 US, like the actual Seiko. And there's a little sticker on here as well. Come on, baby. I can feel you, but I can't get you. But this one was $299, and the reason I chose this instead of buying the actual Seiko is because, boy, I'm having a tough time getting that sticker off. There we go. Oh, there it goes. And oh man. The reason I got this is because it's essentially an homage to the Seiko. It's got the Seiko movement in it, but it has a sapphire crystal on the dial, and it has a sapphire bezel as well. And this is just stunning. Look at this, guys. Oh, so excited about getting this. The bezel action is just like any of the Seikos that I've had. Really nice 120 click bezel there. Really smooth, really nice action on it. Oh man, am I ever stoked. And look at that, everything lines up. So there you go, guys. I'm going to be reviewing this one. Look at the milled clasp even. You don't get a pressed clasp on Marc's version. You get a nice milled clasp instead of the cheap pressed clasp. So, I mean, for the money, absolutely 100% worth it. Absolutely loving this thing. I'll do a proper review of it this weekend. But there it is, ISL-19 Seiko Homage. I don't even know the model number for Seiko that this Homage is, but like the PADI diver Pepsi dial. Oh, so excited. Thank you so much, Marc. Really stoked about this. Stay tuned later on this week for the review this coming weekend, guys. God bless. That's it. That's just a quick unboxing, and I will see you next time on Merely on Time. Hit like, hit subscribe. Let me know what you think of this watch, and we'll see you again next time.